Hi, I'm Dave Russell, this is Rocky. I want to talk about how do you know if your horse is getting off your leg or are you accidentally pulling on the rein. So one of the ways you can tell is when I pick him up here, I've got him, he's already learned about his flexors. For one, I've got to make sure he's not leaning on the rein there. When I put my leg back, is he delayed getting off my leg? I'm not going to add too much pressure. I've got my seat in the right spot, got my leg on. I'm not pulling on the inside rein. It's taken a little while. I need a stick, I need something, I need some help. So that's it backwards. Barely. Okay, so it's fair to say he's a little bit delayed off the leg, like a couple of centuries long. That's okay. So we need to work on that. Here's how I could disguise that as him looking like he's better off the leg. I'm going to lift that rein a little more. And now I'm kind of, without even knowing, cheating by getting him to get off the rein, which I do want as well, individually, but it's just proof right there. That was still delayed, let's be honest, but it's just proof that sometimes we think our horses are getting off our leg because of our leg, and it's not really. It's the rein that's really being the main thing. So, you know, maybe break it down for him, get a flex, wait till he's light. Don't pull on the rein, keep your hand down, put my leg on, grab a stick, touch gently, and then when he gets off the leg, take your leg off. Then I might put it on again gently. That's the response I want, and then take my leg off again. So I want to be able to put it on and he instantly gets off it. That would be stage one. Stage two would be, as I added a little bit more pressure, if you like, on the horse, I would like him to improve his stride. Not necessarily speed it, but improve the length of stride and probably a little bit more push in it. What you want to have happen when that happens is I want the pressure to stay the same. The horse moves more. I don't want to have him go there, I add more pressure, and he actually just slows down like that. I want to be able to go soft, add more pressure, the horse goes with the pressure. That's kind of the ultimate goal of your horse getting off your leg. So that's a little small description in, is my horse getting off my leg or the rein? All right, guys.